Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing a watermelon cat from Aphmau's Meemeows. So let's get started. To draw this cute Meemeow, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Nice and big. These Meemeows all have really big eyes. So then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in. I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. I'm looking at my other eye and it looks a lot bigger. So some days the circles are much easier than others, right? Sometimes it's just a mess. Okay, so now that I have my circles in, sorry about that, let's put in some details. I'm going to come to the center about right here and we're going to draw a curve to split it in half, and then on the top we're going to put in a big oval right here and then a star right next to it. And then at the bottom it's going to be a watermelon basically. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve following my bottom curve. And then inside here, I'm going to lightly draw in 3 seeds. There. And then we're going to come to the sides and draw some lashes. It's going to come out 1 and then 2. So we're going to do the same thing here. So come to the center and split it in half with a curve. And bottom part. And then the seeds. I'm not shading anything in because I totally forgot what colors the eyes are. So I forgot if this part is black or I don't know. So I'm just going to leave it and color it later. So another star right here. And then once again, same thing on the sides. 1, 2. Okay, so now that we have that, I know it looks really weird, but once we color it in, it'll all make sense. Then let's come back to the center. So let's say about right here, I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw 2 curves coming out for the mouth. And then connect it with a curve. And then, of course, at the bottom right here, you can put another curve for a tongue. So now that's all done here, let's go ahead and draw the head. So I'm gonna, let's just use this point as our guide. Come out right next to it. I give myself a point. Same thing here. And then we're going to draw this dumpling shape. So I'm gonna go up, nice and high. Across, say about right here. It's just easier for my hand to draw down on this side, so but definitely turn your paper, your body if you need to. I'm slowly sketching the shape right here. We're gonna go nice and high, and I kind of want it rounder because it is a watermelon cat, so I'm trying to make it more like a watermelon. And we're gonna connect it back to here. There. So then now that we have that, let's go around the eye. Around the eye. Then let's go, let's see here, let's come down, and I'm going to say about right here. Just kind of imagine how low I want. I'm going to give myself a point, and that's going to be my bottom. And I'm going to flatten it out towards the bottom. So I'm aiming for that point I've given myself and connect. There. Okay, so now that I have this big head shape in, round this part off more. I'm going to go ahead and draw the ears. So let's come to the sides right here. I'm going to go up about right there, round off the tip and bring it in. Then draw the inside, just following your outside. So let's do the same thing on the other side by right here. I'm going to drag this point across. I'm approximately the same height. And ending at this approximately the same area on the other side. So once again, draw the inside. There. Okay, so we have the ears in, and then now for some details, we need to draw the watermelon, the tendrils, right, the curly part. So just to make it a little bit simpler, I'm going to erase later. I'm going to come right here and just draw some curls. One and another one right there. And then we're going to come right back here and just thicken it up. So whatever you drew, then this part right here, I'm going to have to erase that, but we're going to put in a little curve right here and then thicken this part up. There. And then for a little stem, you can just pop it up about right here for some details. And then we need to draw a bunch of seeds. So come to the center. Let's say about right here, we're going to start. I'm going to lightly put in one seed and then some going on the sides. And let's see here. And one more here. And then at the bottom, we're gonna put in two right here. Kind of like whiskers, I guess. And same thing here underneath this eye. There, all done with the head. Okay, so now we can finally draw the body. So I'm going to, let's say about right here, we're gonna make it nice and round. So I'm gonna come about right here and just kind of draw this curve. Bring it all the way down to about right here, kind of in this area. And I'll stop and then come back to about right here underneath this eye. And we're going to bring out one paw and bring it in. Round that part off, and then kind of at the same level as the head. We're going to bring this curve out, and then about right here, we're going to do the same thing for the back. Okay, and then we're going to need to draw another one underneath this eye. So same thing and connect there. And then let's come back about right here, and we're going to draw a tail, bring it out. And in. So now that we have that, let's draw in some details. So I'm going to come about, say, well, you know what, let's do this part first. Let's break this part up with a curve, and then here as well. So then now we know what kind of where we're working with and what we're working with. And so let's say about right here, we're going to break it up with a curve, bring it out, and thicken this up. And pop this out if you like. And then for some details, we're going to put in some stripes. I'm going to come right about here and just kind of wobble. Maybe another one here. Just some watermelon stripes, and then maybe one here. And then of course we need to draw a bunch of seeds in this area. So I'm gonna go ahead in different directions. Need one here, and then on the tail as well. Just move them in different directions. And there's some on the hands as well. And we'll just put one here. And of course, we need to put a heart on this one to make it my Just So Cute Watermelon Meemeow from Aphmau's Meemeow. I really hope I helped you draw this cat fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.